Hello everybody, it's Jennifer Cotton, and I'm attempting to go back live again. I lost internet connection, apparently. So now I'm just trying to see if I'm really live. Lorraine is here, yay. Of course, can I get the video to come up on my iPad? No. Oh my goodness. But it looks like I'm live. I see Lorraine. I see Liz. I'm having to look on my little phone. I see 14 people are watching, so I think I'm here. I just can't see myself on my iPad. So I'll give everybody a minute to come back, hopefully. Of course, I understand. Let me try. I'm going to try finding it on my computer. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think I'm live here. I'm just not going to be able to see it very well. Thank you, Cindy. Okay, so I got confirmation from Cindy. I'm just going to go with this. What a great time for me to lose internet on my computer is what happened, apparently. And I was finishing this card, so I'll just finish the card. Thank you for coming back if you're back. If not, catch replay. I understand. Thank you, thank you. What I was saying was, hey, Virginia. And if you just came on, there's another video that has all the beginning. Okay, so I'm ready to attach my greeting to this card as part of my Stampin' Stack class. And the card, or where I'm going to place the greeting, there is a dimensional layer behind this petal pink and behind the flowers. So I want the greeting to overlap the flowers as well as the other layers. So on this far right side where my thumb and forefinger are, I need 2 dimensionals, 2, to bring it up to the correct height. And then I need 1 under the petal pink section, and then I need 0 where it's going to touch the flowers. So I'm going to add some adhesive on the left side. I'm going to add 1 dimensional in the middle and 2 on the right. So I'll peel the protective coating off of that one and stick another to that. So I have 3 levels, 0, 1, and 2. And then when I place this greeting down here toward the bottom right, the 2 dimensionals are on the right past the petal pink. The 1 is touching the petal pink and the adhesive is touching the flowers. Hopefully that makes sense. I can't really see comments right now because my computer is refusing to work with me. It says there's no internet. Goodness. And my iPad won't pull up my video. So the way I have my phone set up, it's hard to see the comments right now. But I'm just clicking a couple of things here to try to find it. Okay, doesn't matter. To finish off this card, I'm going to add 2 things. The petal pink ribbon, which again is included with your class fee, the cotton ribbon combo pack, and some gray classic matte dots. Okay, so let's do that. I need my take your pick tool. Yeah, I'll do these first. So I will add a small gray down here on the bottom right of the greeting-ish, like anywhere down there. A large gray top left on the petal pink, and then a small gray top left of the petal pink. And then for the bow, I am going to do a double bow. So, I hope I went live, and I guess I did go in the right place. It's just, again, not on the computer, whatever. So I'm going to do a double bow. Again, you're going to receive a full pack of this. So I recommend you leave it attached to the roll. Don't cut a piece off. But we do want to fold this ribbon over onto itself and try to keep it nice and flat where it's folded over. And then treat that as one piece of ribbon to tie a bunny ear bow. So I already made a bunny ear bow on this part 1 of this video before. So I'm going to do this one quickly, but it's the same thing. Everything's the same, but I'm using 2 pieces of ribbon instead of 1. And if your ribbon gets, because you're doing 2, if it gets confused and mixed up, just untie it and start over. I did have to do that yesterday when I made my double bow. But other than that, you treat it like normal. You fix, you know, pull the tails, pull the loops, whatever you need to make it look correct, I should say. And then you'll have these 2 that are attached here that you cut apart. And then on the, again, the right side, for me anyway, 0 waste when you trim that off. This was a brand new pack when I started yesterday making these cards, and I had not used this ribbon. So now I've made 2 of the cards out of it, and I still have all this ribbon left. And that's the only place we're using these ribbons on these particular cards is the 2 I showed today. Oh no, is that true? No, not true. We're using Misty on the 4th card, which we're not making today. Okay, so I'm trimming the left side because they were straight. Now I need to even up the right side of my bow. All right, let's attach this bow with a mini glue dot. They're here somewhere. Oh, they're actually literally in their own spot where they belong. That's what happens when you get flustered. I put the bow kind of over to the left of the greeting, but a little past the greeting. And that is the finished card. So, and I did see, Robin, I saw your comment that said obsession is the correct word. So thank you for confirming that. I saw that before the video died earlier. I'm trying to scroll back here on my tiny little phone to read your comments. Nancy's back. Sarah, nope, wasn't just you. Thank you very much. Let's see. Teresa, thank you. Oh, Kathy, thank you so much. Thanks, Linda. Leave the flower white. Yes, Sarah. And I copied that tip, but listen, it'll look great once it's colored in. So her card was different, and she only had these 2 white. She colored all the other flowers. I was like, you know what? No, we don't have time for that. Oh, and look, I'm looking at my other sample, and I did color these with Wink of Stella. I did not on the one from today, but I did here. So either way, but I didn't do the colored ones because to me, the white ones need to be special. Let me see. Keep reading these comments. The gray card is your favorite. That's this one. That is my favorite too, Teresa. Thank you so much. Good to see you, by the way, Teresa. Hello. Hey, Alice in Indiana. Thanks for sharing. Hey, Pam. It's like I can see one comment at a time. Virginia, this ribbon is Cotton Ribbon Combo Pack from the mini catalog that starts January 4th. And the colors are Petal Pink and Misty Moonlight. And it's gorgeous. It's super soft and like feels like a t-shirt or something in person. It's really, really nice ribbon in person. And we're using it in this Stamp-A-Stack, so you will get a full pack. You'll make 12 cards. So here's the Misty. I'm only showing 3 of the designs today, but you'll make 12. So do the math. And then here's the 4th card. Ooh, sneak peek. So you will make 12 of these designs, 20 in merchandise, all that stuff. And you'll get, everything will be cut. You know, I went over all this before, I know already. But the link is not out for the class yet, but it will be by January 1st. Just depends on how my day goes. Now I have to edit 2 videos together for YouTube. So that'll add a little time for me. But anyway, but I'll get that link out. And then, but you can join the club now. So any questions, let me know. I do want to bring, well, I have some samples, which I have shown these before on my lives, but I have some samples using these products that I just used. These are from swaps that I have participated in or run. Thank you, Cindy. And some of the make and takes from the Stampin' Up! Convention we had in November. I'm trying to remember the date there. And so, but there are additional ideas, of course, for you guys using these products. You can kind of see, I barely showed that fourth card, but this is my inspiration for the fourth card, but this is like a little note card size that we made with Stampin' Up! And then, like I said, the rest of these are swaps. Here's one even with a completely different color scheme. I mean, it does use gray, but the yellow is just different than what we use today. So, those are some ideas for you there. This is one of those, I always forget the name of this, but the spinner cards. I started to say peekaboo. I forgot what they're called. It's a set of dies we carry. These have those cute brass butterflies, which, by the way, you get a pack of if you do the retreat in a box, the cruise retreat in a box. And last but not least, that's what I want to bring back and just remind you, today's the last day to sign up for this amazing class. 150 in product, 6 classes, tons of projects, including a full album. You do get the album, by the way. A mini album, 10 cards, 4 cards, samplers, scrapbook pages, treats, more cards. It's a lot. So, thank you guys for being here. I feel funny because I can't see it any. Give it a whirl, guys. Thank you, Cindy. I can't see any of my screen except on my tiny little phone. Thank you, Linda. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thanks, Cindy. Yes, Terry. Took me a minute to figure out why my internet wasn't working, which I still don't know, but all right. Well, everyone have a great day and week and New Year. Happy New Year. Be safe. Stay warm if that's the case. And next week, I'm planning to go live. However, it is, oh, it's not next week. Next week, I should be good to go. The week after is going to be a really crazy week for me. So that one's a maybe, but I'll keep you updated like always. Okay, so have a great week and day, and I will see you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye.